In this video I'll show you how to make stencils for detailed lures. I will also announce the winner of a giveaway which I recently made with Paul Adams on his channel. Before I start painting, I set trigger stop on my airbrush on minimum. I'm using black acrylic paint to highlight scales on the blanks of my piranha and pike lures. I set the lure in surgical clamps. They give me freedom of movement. After highlighting scales, I moved to the office where I put both of my lures on the copier. Highlighting scales was necessary because without it entire pictures would be overexposed and the copy would lose all the details. Remember to copy both sides as they are never the same when carved by hand. On the cutting board I cut stencils for fins. You see how easy it is. The advantage of this technique is having all the details already on the paper. Whatever we will draw on it will look exactly the same on the lure, what is not the case on blank paper. This is very important. I cut out small sections on the stencil where the wire is. It will help me to align the stencil perfectly every single time.
I went actually back for a second trip to Ireland this year to meet Maciez again, and I also did some filming of him painting up a layer. And this is a layer for a giveaway. It's not to promote my channel, but if you'd like a chance at winning this layer, you really need to go to his last video, which I'll leave a link to, leave a comment, and also subscribe to get entered in the draw.
The winner is... Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and would like to see more videos, please hit the like button and share the video. Also, I would like to have you subscribe to my channel. If you want to see me painting some layers, please leave a comment below.